Our oceans affect us, and we affect them. Warmer oceans are creating more intense storms, even in winter. January 2016. Intense El Niño weather patterns warmed the Pacific Ocean surfaces to record highs. This warmth tracked through the Gulf of Mexico and up the eastern seaboard. A massive storm was able to feed off the warmer-than-normal sea surface temperatures, contributing to a record-setting blizzard. The blizzard of 2016, Snowzilla, had widespread effects. Data shows that winters in North America have warmed over time and will continue to do so, meaning less frequent, but more intense monster winter storms. Can we afford to do nothing? Change. Adapt. Evolve.